Hi! In this project we will provide you with a free interior design plan. My name is Gabia and I work at Planner 5D as interior designer. So how can you get a free project? Let me briefly remind you of the rules. You send us a photo of a flat, a room plan, with all required dimensions, and a video where you share all your vision of the room, how it should look like. Together with the Planners 5D designers team, we create a home renovation project from scratch, based on the information provided. You get a free plan with all your future home absolutely for free. This time we will create a project for children, their dream room, as parents wanted to renovate an existing room. Now let's take a quick look at user's video.
Hello, Planner 5D. Follow me into the girls' room. Now, I just wondered if you could help me out. Let's have a little look around. So we have some storage space at the top. As you can see, we've got very high ceilings in here. There's the bunk bed. I have the window on this wall. And coming round, there's a bit of sort of storage already and some wardrobes and some drawers at the bottom. So I kind of think that all this storage is kind of stuff for the rest of the house and not really for them. And this wall, we just have a pretty flat blank wall, a few more drawers and stuff for toys. But I feel like the space is not really being used optimally. Maybe you could help. Thanks.
Oh, what a sweet room! It is our first time we deal with children's room, as we already designed the living room and bedroom. If you missed those videos, just follow this link to watch them. To start the project, we need a plan in Planner 5D. First of all, let's draw the room plan. All we have is the room dimensions, nothing to worry about. We will build a new plan from the blank. I have already entered needed data in the Planner 5D editor to get a ready-to-go project. Now let's have a look on the screen to see more details of what has been changed in the room. Even though in the video the room looked pretty small, not judging the measurements and the 3D view, but it had a pretty high ceiling, which is a really big plus for us. So now let's take a look at inside. At first I started zoning the playground and the beds, where everything should be. Later I started putting furniture around the corners, like wardrobes and cabins. Later a little bit even moving up to the beddings and the decors of the wall. In here we used a pale green color, which represents nature and is the most relaxing and calming color. Natural wood elements, an accent black wall on which children can draw or write. Plenty of cabins to hide toys and clothes. The beds are upstairs, so there would be more open space on the floor for them to play. Also, upstairs next to a bed there is a wall specially made for climbing to keep them active and curious. Shelving made on the windowsill where they can sit and read, or just chill and look through a window. Through the communication with our clients, we created two design options. First one with green colors and bedding moved up, and second, more simple option with bunks. They chose the second option, as it was more comfortable and matched their lifestyle. We wanted to make the room look simple, light and functional, adding plenty of storage to save small space and the ability to keep all children's clothes, toys or books in the same room. Additionally, adding ladder to reach upper cabins. In a room, we used pale pink colors along with white, natural wood elements and some few black accents, such as the wall on which children can write or furniture handles. Showing that this room belongs to girls, there's a wall with ballerinas next to a bed. Lastly, two small tables to draw, write or just play. Thank you for watching this video, subscribe on our channel and don't forget to like this video to support us. Stay tuned and bye!